Ayurveda is an indispensable way of living that uses methodically crafted therapies to ensure smooth bodily functions and restored wellness. It mainly stresses on lifelong healing via therapies and procedures, and the mother of all therapies is known as Pada Abhyangam. Padabhyangam can be loosely translated to foot massage or foot therapy, and this therapy holds a special place of importance in Ayurveda. Foot care is holistic and it involves massaging the pressure points with various herbal and medicinal oils. Applying the right massage techniques relieves the body of its ailments and restores health by revitalizing, calming, and balancing various disturbances of the autonomic nervous system. Acupuncture, acupressure, and reflexology have all originated from this ancient healing art. Ancient Indian healing methods referred to the feet as windows to the body and mind. Our feet have the answers to most of the conditions that affect our physical and mental well-being. Since there are many nerve endings present on our feet, massages that focus on these smart parts of the body or Pada Abhyangam are indeed extremely beneficial. It not only helps overcome tired feet and other diseases associated with the feet, but it also helps to strengthen the nerves, reduce stress, and delivers many other benefits. This holistic approach of delivering vitality to the body starts and ends at your feet. So in this video, let's get to know a bit more about Pada Abhyangam. But before we get into it, for those of y'all who are new here, hi, I'm Dr. Smriti Valsan. Do watch my videos, and if you did like them, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon right next to it. And with that, let's get into this. Medicated oil is taken and the oil used depends on the condition of the patient. They stimulate the marma points, which are the vital points present all over your body, including the feet. Being a highly preferred Ayurvedic treatment, the benefits of getting a Pada Abhyangam are plenty. Apart from improving health, the treatment generates better cardiovascular circulation in the foot and helps you feel relaxed. It strengthens and revitalizes the tissues, promotes blood circulation, energy flow is stimulated, helps in strengthening eyesight, relaxes muscles, ligaments, and vessels, helps induce better sleep, prevents the occurrence of corns over the feet, relieves stiffness along the arch of the foot, allays the tired feeling or restlessness experienced in the foot, improves your circulation, which addresses the numbness in your feet, softens the texture of the soles, tones the muscles of the foot, it releases heat and makes you feel calm and cool. This is absolutely natural. There are no electronic gadgets, batteries, or any chemical creams used. This is a wonderful therapy mentioned in Ayurveda. The best part of this treatment is that it is suitable for almost all people. However, in case of foot injuries, acute thrombosis, phlebitis, open wounds, cellulitis, you should refrain from an Ayurvedic foot massage. Likewise, you should rather refrain from it in case of skin diseases such as eczema or febrile illnesses. The vital points located on the feet and legs also play an important role in Pada Abhyangam. According to Ayurvedic teachings, these so-called marma points have a subtle connection to the body organs. Stimulation of the marma points strengthens and vitalizes the corresponding organs. The marma points are the cross points of energy channels through which our life energy flows. There are a total of 108 of these vital points distributed all over the body. And if these points are stimulated and massaged, it has stress relieving and invigorating effect. Since the points are connected to specific organs, it can alleviate various complaints. Just the way the roots of a tree connect its branches, trunk, and leaves to the Mother Earth, nourishment of the root yields a good fruit. So, nourishment through Pada Abhyangam yields wellness to the body. Ayurveda illustrates that different parts of the feet correspond to different organs of the body, and they are the energy centers that run throughout the body. When they are pressed, they trigger the circulatory energies in the liver, kidneys, and other organs. This Ayurvedic therapy considers our feet as the focal point of all the energies that connect the body to the earth. This is a simple procedure that can be done at home and is extremely popular because of the immense benefits that you can derive. However, before doing this procedure, do consult an Ayurvedic doctor because different health conditions require different formulations and technique. With that, we have come to an end with this video. If you guys like my video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'm going to see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay tuned and thanks for watching.